I'm gonna try to rearrange the kitchen. So many things. And tomorrow, not tomorrow, maybe Tuesday, I'll get some people to come here and clean the house. I don't know. See how we go. There's a lot of things we need to fix. I got no handles there, they're broken. There's too many stuff in there. We'll see how kind of arrangement I can do. We'll see. Okay. Now I'm going to clear this bench. A lot of rubbish. And this is what I'm taking every month for 3 to 4 days in a row. Yeah. I'm gonna make tin. Get rid of parasite. A lot of ants. I think I should make apple cider vinegar in a sprayer. It's probably better than it's not healthy. This is going to the bins. There's a hole at the back. I know I can fix, but I don't want. Pity the empty. Once again, eggs with beans. I'm so hungry. I really love this. Couple eggs with a tin of beans. And I add a bit more tomato. Yeah, you're getting somewhere. I was sleeping, and all of a sudden something dropped on me. Look at this thing. It's big. What the fuck is that? Looks like an alien. Wow. Okay, good morning. It's 4:43 a.m. and that's the way I used to live. I used to go to bed early and wake up early, which is much healthier than watching TV until 11 o'clock, and Bella was doing the same thing, which is not good. And then nobody wake up until 8 a.m., 10 a.m., I don't know. So anyway, as you can see, I'm doing my editing for the next video. Just the latest news. GM has banned me to see Bella. For what reason? I don't know. I'm going to see my solicitor today and sort that out because I haven't done anything wrong. I know. My solicitor gave me a list of things. Joe, whatever you do, don't do that. And I'm following that. So she got no reason whatsoever to ban me. That's not going to be good for her. I know. Anyway, that's the latest. Anyway, that's the way it is. So why she banned me to see Bella? I think she got some kind of jealousy fit when she saw my last video. But those girls, they're just friends. I'm not interested at the moment. I'm not settled. That proves that she still loves me, but... So, yeah, so the banning is about jealousy. I'm sure. So that's okay. I've got 25 years lease here. My solicitor said, stay put, nothing they can do. If they try, it's going to cost a lot of money, and it's not going to even 100% sure they're going to succeed. So let them do it. That's okay. And then when honeymoon is over, because I know it's going to be over because I know. I went through it. And when you arrive here and see so many single, pretty lady, then bye-bye. And, be by yourself with 3 kids. It's going to be very, very tough. Very tough. That's where the karma's going to hit. But anyway, I wish her all the best. I mean, if everything works out, I'll be happy for her because she's the mother of my baby. But nothing else. Anyway. All right. Let's finish my coffee. So anyway, I'm having a nice coffee here. Peace and quiet. I'm happy. I'm much, much happier. Much happier. And despite all that, I don't wish her any bad things. I don't. That's me. I always forgive. Always. I forgive always. But maybe not this time. No, too much. Okay, what are my plans? So, I would like to stay here. I made a proposal to GM, and I hope she got a bit of a common sense this time to accept it. I want to do this for Bella. So Bella will be the owner of this house. So I like to stay, finish it off, maintain it because we got termite. We need to keep an eye all the time. And things are breaking here and there. And so I need somebody here to maintain it. If we go away, we don't live here, the house is going to go in really bad shape. Really, really bad shape. Because it's all made of timber. And so anyway. So I just propose her to change the title to Bella. And with that means that the house will be for Bella. I will then stay here and embellish the house, maintain it for her until I die or until the lease finished. So I'll be happy then to work again in the house. I know it will be for my daughter. At the moment, I haven't touched anything. Just cleaning because I'm here. I don't want to get sick because the house is very, very dirty. So that's what I would like to do. I'll send her a message for that, see what she answers. She hasn't answered yet. She rarely talked to me, so anyway, that's okay. Honestly, I don't, I'm doing tough, of course. I mean, I love my wife and I miss my baby. And especially missing my baby, that's what make me tough. And I know she do on purpose to hurt me because that's the way she is. But That's okay. I want everything settled, and then I can then move on into my life. I mean, so many beautiful, gorgeous Filipino lady and mature, funny, um, gorgeous. Those things are there, but I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing until it's all settled. And actually, uh, I like to appreciate all the support I had. I've been overwhelmed by the 99.99% of people who have been on my side. Yeah, thank you once again. I really appreciate. Keep your support going. That will be great for me. And all right. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.